Let's look at adding content. So if you click to add content, here's where you can manually add items, not with AI, to add them manually. So you can click and add text. You can write the text. You can, of course, change the sizing and stuff, which we'll get into in a minute. And you can add, of course, a placeholder image if you want. And now, important note, when you add something, you have undo and redo down here. You can also just press Command Z on a Mac or Control Z on a PC, and Command Shift Z or Control Shift Z to redo if you want to redo something. Now here you have the option to hide comments or show comments if you want. You have here pre-built sections and elements. So for example, I can add like a buy now button, or I can add entire sections, like maybe I have, for example, a breadcrumbs that I want to add here at the top. So you can add those pretty easily. Now you can search. So if I have like a hero section, for example, I can search and I can grab one of those, and you can just drag and drop. Now, when you drag it, if you hover over an existing section, it's going to replace that section, but you can also drag it to the middle and then it will paste it there as well. Now, you also have images. So if you want to upload your own images, or you can search on Unsplash and you can just add them to your project. Now, to add them to the project, you just drag and drop and they're added to the project. And you can also search your existing images. Now, any images you add are going to show up across the entire room. So if you've added like a logo, for example, on a different project, it'll show up here as well, any project for that room. Now I have here icons. We have a huge library of icons. You can search, just drag and drop the icons in if you want.